Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. In this session, we'll continue with our previous tutorial. We will open notification details once we receive a notification, and for this purpose we will use pending intent. Before we jump on to discuss the technical details of pending intents, let's discuss an example of throwing a party to your employees versus giving them the gift vouchers. If you throw a party to your employees, being a host, you have to be present in the party. Any employee who is not able to attend the party might not get the party again. The last but not the least, you have to spend the money on the party. On the contrary, if you give the gift vouchers to your employees, your presence is not required. Employees can use the vouchers as per their convenience till the voucher is valid. Third thing is, again, you have to spend the money on the gift vouchers. So spending money is common, we'll discuss it. But talking about the pending intents, they fall in the second category. How? Let's see. Point number 1 says, pending intent contains the intent to start your activity. Here, if we talk about the intent, this is equivalent to money which you have to spend. So intent is definitely required. Point number 2 says, pending intent performs an action on behalf of your application. Again, if you compare, you have given the gift vouchers to your employees and they are spending the gift vouchers on your behalf. In the similar way, pending intents are performing an action on behalf of your application. Point number 3 says, pending intent performs action independent of whether your application is running or not. So it is again as good as whether you are available or not, your employees will be able to spend the gift vouchers. Point number 4 says, by giving a pending intent to another application, you are granting it right to perform an operation you have specified. So it is again similar to the gift vouchers. Let's implement it and then you'll be more comfortable with the pending intents. Open Android Studio and open the project on which we worked last. Go to the Wear module and under the Wear module, open the main activity which is right under the package. Open main activity and open the notify me method on which we worked last. Right here in the beginning of the method, say intent is equal to new intent. In the parameter, pass this, and the second parameter which you need to pass is notification details dot class. This class does not exist, so we need to create it. Go to the package structure which is right under the Wear module. Right click on the package, go to new, go to activity and choose blank activity. Give the activity name as notification details and click on finish. It will create two files for you. One is the activity notification underscore details.xml and another one is the notification details.java. Let's go to the XML file and right here, instead of saying hello world, let's say these are details of notification. Save it. Now go to the design view and drag the text right in the center. Now let's go to the main activity of Wear module and right after creating the intent, we need to say pending intent is equal to pending intent dot get activity, and here we need to pass 4 parameters. First one is the context. Let's pass this. Second one is the request code. Let's pass 0. Third one is the intent. We have already created one intent, so we need to say intent. The fourth parameter is the flag, so we need to say pending intent dot flag update current. The next thing which we need to do is right here we need to say builder dot set content intent, which is right here, and we need to pass pending intent. The next thing which we need to do is to make the similar changes in the mobile module. I have made the desired changes in the mobile module. The only difference is that in the text I have added cell phone module. Let's see it in the source. So right here I have added this extra text. Let's run our program in the same way as we did last time by running 3 AVDs. Here is the output on 3 different AVDs. Let's click on the notify me on cell phone AVD. It will give us a notification. Let's pull it down and let's click on it. The moment we click on it, it will open the notification details, which points to the notification details of cell phone module. Now let's click on the notify me here. Drag it to the right. It will open the notification. Let's click on it. Now if we click on it, nothing will happen. We have to drag it to the left. If we drag it to the left, it will give us the button for open. We need to click it and it will give us the details of the notification. In the similar way, let's click here, drag it to the right. We will get a notification. Now drag it to the left and we will get the button for open. Click on it and we will get the details of the notification. So if you observe on the VR emulators, we are first closing the application by swiping the card to the right. After closing the application, we are reaching the home of the VR emulator where we are getting a notification. Even though VR application is closed at that point in time, we are able to open the details of notifications, which is the part of the VR application. This is happening because of the pending intents. Same is applicable on the mobile module. If you close the application on the mobile module and click on the notification, it will open the details of notification on the mobile module. The next thing which we need to do is to run the mobile module directly on the real device, sync the notifications with the emulator and see the results on the emulator. Now this part is very important. Let's do it. I'm going to close this AVD as well as this AVD. I have connected my cell phone with the system. Let's go to run, click on run mobile. Here is my device, choose it and click OK. It will install the application on my cell phone. Here is the output on my cell phone and in the background you can see the emulator running. Both are connected. Let's click on the notify me button on the cell phone. The moment we click the notify me button, it will give us 2 notifications. You can see in the background there is one notification on the emulator. Let's see the notification on the cell phone as well. Here is the notification on the cell phone. Now let's focus on the notification on the emulator. Let's drag it to the left. And now the thing which we need to observe is here it is showing open on phone. So if you remember, when we ran the program on the Android VR emulator, it was showing open, but now it is showing open on phone. The reason being, now we are running the program directly from the cell phone and we are syncing the notifications. And if we click on open on phone, it will open the notification details on the cell phone. So if you see here, it is showing these are the details of the notification cell phone module. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Please like our page on facebook.com/letsandroid. If you have any query, do write us at info@schoolsteps.in or schoolstepsin@gmail.com. Thank you.